Before you spend over $100 on the InstaCool Pro, you need to know what we found because the marketing makes it look like a revolutionary portable air conditioner and heater that can cool or heat a room of up to 550 square feet in just 5 seconds. But the actual evidence tells a much more complicated story. After carefully analyzing the product, its specifications, seller claims, pricing, and customer feedback, the biggest issue is that there is no credible technical evidence showing that InstaCool Pro contains the compressor or refrigeration system required for true air conditioning. Instead, it appears to function more like a compact heating and cooling fan than a genuine portable AC capable of dramatically changing the temperature of a large room. We also found no independent laboratory testing or detailed engineering documentation to support the bold performance claims used in the advertisements. Another concern is the marketing itself, which features what appear to be questionable customer testimonials, AI-generated promotional images, and constant limited-time discounts that never seem to end, creating a sense of urgency without clear proof that the offers are actually limited. Pricing raises additional questions because very similar devices can be found on major Chinese wholesale marketplaces, including Alibaba, AliExpress, Temu, and Degate, typically selling for around $10 to $15, while InstaCool Pro is marketed for well over $100 under a different brand name. Similar products have also appeared previously using different names but nearly identical designs and advertising. Customer experiences are mixed, with some buyers saying it works as a small personal fan or heater, while others report that it does not cool a room anywhere close to what the advertisements promise and that obtaining refunds can be frustrating. Based on all the available information, InstaCool Pro does not appear to deliver the performance of a real portable air conditioner. So if you're expecting powerful room cooling or heating comparable to a traditional AC unit, it's wise to lower your expectations, compare alternatives carefully, and make your purchase based on verified specifications rather than eye-catching marketing claims alone.